Traveling solo is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. It gives you total freedom to explore at your own pace, meet new people, and discover parts of yourself you didn't even know existed. But if it's your first time, it's also easy to make mistakes that can turn your dream trip into something stressful. Let's go through the biggest solo travel mistakes and how you can avoid them. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you prefer planning every detail or going with the flow when traveling alone? Please tell me in the comments. Now let's get started. The first mistake is not researching your destination properly. It's tempting to just book a flight and figure things out once you land, but this often leads to wasted time, unnecessary expenses, or even safety risks. Every country has different cultural norms, transportation systems, and scams to watch out for. Doing a bit of homework on neighborhoods, local customs, and how to get around can make the difference between feeling lost and feeling confident. Another common mistake is overpacking. When you're traveling solo, every bag you carry is your responsibility. Dragging around heavy luggage through airports, buses, or cobblestone streets can wear you down quickly. It also makes you stand out more as a tourist. The trick is to pack light and versatile. Clothes you can mix and match, essentials you can't easily buy there, and leave the rest behind. Most first-time solo travelers realize too late that they only used half of what they brought. Then there's the mistake of not having a safety plan. While solo travel is generally safe if you're careful, you don't have the backup of a companion if something goes wrong. Simple steps like sharing your itinerary with family, making digital copies of your passport, knowing the emergency numbers in your destination, and having a plan for late-night transport can give you peace of mind. What often gets people into trouble is assuming, "It won't happen to me," and not preparing at all. A big one for first-timers is isolating yourself too much. Solo travel doesn't mean you have to be alone all the time. Many travelers make the mistake of sticking to themselves because they feel shy or uncomfortable meeting new people. But some of the best parts of traveling are the connections you make, whether that's chatting with locals, joining a group tour, or connecting with other travelers at a hostel. Opening up a little can lead to friendships and experiences you'd never find otherwise. Another mistake is not trusting your instincts. When you're in a new environment, you'll meet people who seem friendly, get offers that sound too good to be true, or end up in situations that make you feel uneasy. Many first-time solo travelers ignore that gut feeling because they don't want to seem rude, but listening to your instincts is one of the best tools you have to stay safe. If something feels off, it's better to walk away. Overscheduling your trip is also a big trap. When traveling alone, you don't have to compromise with anyone else's schedule, which can make you want to pack every hour with activities. But burnout comes fast if you don't give yourself time to rest. The beauty of solo travel is that you can slow down, spend an afternoon wandering, take breaks without guilt, and let spontaneous adventures happen. Leaving space in your itinerary often makes the trip more enjoyable. Another mistake is not managing your budget realistically. When you're on your own, all costs fall on you: meals, taxis, accommodations. Many first-time solo travelers underestimate how much little things add up. It's smart to track your spending as you go, set aside some emergency cash, and remember that eating out 3 times a day isn't always necessary. Cooking at hostels or grabbing street food can save money and add to the experience. Finally, one mistake that's often overlooked is not documenting your journey for yourself. Solo travel can be emotional, eye-opening, and filled with little moments you'll want to remember. If you don't take notes, photos, or keep a small travel journal, those memories can fade faster than you'd like. And since you won't have a travel partner to reminisce with later, it's worth keeping your own record. In the end, solo travel mistakes are part of the learning process, but being aware of them before your first trip gives you a huge head start. Research where you're going, pack light, have a safety plan, stay open to meeting people, and trust yourself. If you do those things, you'll avoid the most common pitfalls and have a trip that's not only smooth, but also unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching. Do you prefer planning every detail or going with the flow when traveling alone? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!